sideways. Oh, almost landed that one.
Then go get that.
No, man, I'm going to get it after I get this one down. Oh.
Landed. Then get
Cruiser.
Dude! Did you see that?
Yep.
Backflip. Wheelie. Oh!
Yes.
That was a war weapon.
Watch this guy. Yeah. Dad's like a professional. Look at this. Oh! He almost hit the brakes.
Yeah!
You got him to land up. This guy doesn't want to do it. He'll go. Whoop. Come on, Mutt. There you go, Mutt.
There you go. There you go. Get that one.
There you go. There you go. Oh, Gravedigger.
Dad, can you get that one? Did you get that one? They make it like steep. They make it steep.
That's steep.
You gotta pull it up. There you go.
Like that. Little, land it.
Whoa.
Why did he always not land it? On a back wheel.
Gravedigger. Come on, Gravedigger. Land it. Oh.
Dad, can you move your that boy?
Throw him up here.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, they didn't make it off the starting line. The tumbler with the landing.
What's this? Balloon. Mine truck, you're gonna do this.
Yes.
Is that cool? I just love that.
Whoa. Oh.
Those are almost wheelies.
Sideways tumbler.
Why? Dad, you have to go get those.
Hit the balloon. Oh, side. Just off the side.
Look, he was trying to turn the moms. He was trying to go on the camera. Now you have to go get those.
Okay. Oh, you had it. It was on the balloon. Now you're going too far to the outside.